Do you know many people are having trouble with locating the oven's electrical connection? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate junction box. First, find the electrical junction box located below the support surface. Step 2. Drill the hole. Next, drill a 1-inch hole in the rear corner of the support surface. Step 3. Guide conduit. Guide the oven's flexible conduit to the junction box through the hole. Step 4. Connect safely. Ensure power is off and securely connect the conduit to the junction box. Step 5. Finish installation. Finally, attach the junction box cover and ensure proper voltage connection. After these steps, you should have a safely connected KitchenAid oven ready to use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other KitchenAid users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.